How to unlink Microsoft account from PS5. Now in this video, I'll show you two specific ways for you to be able to do this whole process. Now the first method of doing this is by logging in into your PSN or onto your PlayStation Network account. You can basically use your mobile device or maybe use the browser that you're using on your PS5. Now head straight into PlayStation.com and make sure that you sign in into your account. Once you sign in, all you have to do is head straight into connections and then under connections, choose on accounts and start and find Microsoft Unlink or disconnect. You just have to confirm it and it will automatically be removed into your account connections on your PS5. The other thing that you can do is if you're trying to unlink Microsoft account from Minecraft, what you want to have to do is to access settings into your PS5, go into account, and from account you should be able to see unlink Microsoft account directly from Minecraft on your PS5. And that's pretty much it. That is how you unlink Microsoft account from PS5.